So it's the first time I've been able to ride in a while. It's been just raining here non-stop. It's ridiculously. You know, it is May. So anywho, just staring at those little dogs. So anyways, what have we got done? This last weekend I got the studs for the motor on the Harley, and worked to get those in. You're not even looking, are you? Now you're looking. So I got those in, and I was able to get the top mount and the front mount in there, but there's some gap. So after, you know, putting it together and then talking with my buddy Mr. J, I think I'm going to put some lock washers under those studs. All the other bolts have lock washers under them, so it's not like, you know, I'm missing much here. You know, shit, there's 3/4 of an inch threaded into the head of the actual head anyways. So but so yeah, that should bring them up a little bit for the middle mount, or for the top mount and the front mount. And then the front mount, there's supposed to be a bolt that kind of like bolts to the front of the frame where it splits. It's supposed to be a 5/16 18, like 7/8 long, but anyways, the hole doesn't seem that big, so I'm gonna we'll get a drill and a tap, and we'll fix that. And, you know, maybe it's filled up with crap. Mr. J suggested that, like, oh, maybe it's just full of crap. It could be, but who knows. So, but yeah, we're basically done with that. I just gotta, like I said, space up the studs and fix this hole and put a bolt in there, and that'll be done. And then I did get in the like Timken bearings and cups for the front end, so we can, you know, attempt to assemble the front end. And I also got the dust caps that go on the top and bottom, so we got all that. But where are you going, bud? Jesus. So yeah, we got some stuff brewing, you know. So I'm trying to think of what else. Then we can go ahead. Oh, there's that Harley. That's the owner of Bulldogs, Jason. It's his Harley. 5-0 on the prowl. On the prowl. So anyways, yeah, now we're gonna, like, you know, put the front end on and the swing arm on, and I really need to I would need to work on taking apart the brakes from the rim that Mr. J gave me and put them on the rim that I bought. It should fit, and that rim doesn't have a tire, so, you know, I do kind of need something. If I wanted to just roll around, I can't just be rolling on the rim. Oh boy. Oh, that's a big drop. Holy shit. You can see they're redoing this whole area here. Hopefully they're done for a little while. All the big holes have been patched up. You can see they're putting in sewer shit. You know, I looked, you know, I've been through this intersection many times. We have a stop sign, but on the other side of this, there's no stop sign. Last time I came through there, you know, I'm waiting. I saw somebody coming, then they just stopped. It's like, okay, but there's literally no stop sign for you. Anyways, I was like, I'm trying to be cautious, and I have a stop sign. So, but trying to think of what else we got coming up here. I do have a weather station that I'm trying to put together. I saw this project on I don't know, Google or something, in my Google news feed or something. So It's got a really cool big display, and I 3D printed a base, and I got all the parts, and I got it working. So I'm going to be doing a video soon on how to assemble it all and see how it works. It's pretty neat. Oh, a company reached out to me, I don't know, 3, 4, or 5 days ago, and asked me if I'd be interested in reviewing a product for them. And I was like, well, send me your info and the website and what this thing is, and I'll let you know. So they sent me, a link to their website, and also they said, if you look up our company name on Amazon, you can see what we're offering. I'm like, okay. So they reached out to me to review. Now they just said an unboxing, so I'll give them the full Monty. Ayo. I'll do an unboxing, and then I got plenty of stuff to test their product. What this thing is a battery jump starter, an air compressor, and a battery bank, a power bank. So I've got, I think the scooter at the storage space. I tried starting that the other day, and that thing's dead. It's dead. Like, you can turn it on, but it won't crank. There's not enough juice. The thing just needs to be ran. Battery's fine. So I thought, oh, well, we might be able to test the jump starter on that thing, and then battery bank. That's pretty simple. Can you plug something into it and want to charge it? And then, oh shit, that bird almost died. And then the third thing is tire inflation. And what's neat is it's not like an all-in-one thing. It's like the body is this aluminum tube, and then you can put on, like, you plug in the jump starter thing. It's just got the two connections, and you can pull that off, and then you can put on the air compressor head, and then you can pump up tires or whatnot. And when you're done with it, you can take it off. So I thought it was pretty neat. Oh, we're gonna get the light. I'm going for it. Just make sure I'm not gonna die. Woo! All right. So yeah. So it's on its way. They're sending it to me. Hang on a second. Oh, ooh. Hey, morning. Let me get that for you. See ya. Have a good one. So, anyways, yeah, they said they sent that a couple days ago, and so when we get that, let me put my visor down. When we get that, I'll be reviewing that, and ooh, it's hard to hear myself. They are giving me the item for free. This thing has it's like $100 value. I mean, that's what it's selling for on Amazon. So, you guys know me. I only responded to them because it sounds like a product that I would actually use. And I also told them that I'll be giving them honest feedback, good or bad, because I'm not going to be bought. Screw that. I don't make a living on YouTube. I don't need anybody's advertising money or whatever. It's like, if you're gonna give me something in exchange for a review, that's fine, but I then reserve the right to tell people if it's good or if it's absolute shit. So that's what we're gonna do. But well, we'll see. I mean, it might be really cool. It might be really handy, because something just to keep in the car, depending on how big it is. Sometimes it's hard to gauge things by just looking at it on the computer screen. Could we carry it in a backpack? I don't know. So that's what we're gonna find out. So anyways, those are the updates. Like I said, I got some of that stuff in, so maybe this week. If not this week, then this weekend I'll be working on the Harley again. You know, that's about it. So we will, hang on a second. We will see you guys on the next one, all right? Easy. Fuck you, geese. Little bastards better not give me any problem. Bust out the pepper spray on them.